How to see your oldest saved song on Spotify. First of all, simply open your Spotify application. Now, once you're in your home, simply tap on your library at the middle. Simply tap on your library. And from here, if you want to see the saved song, there is the saved bookmark. Tap on it. And here you'll see the list of all the things that are saved on your Spotify. Now, if you want to find the oldest one, you can use the filter. Tap on all recently added right over here, and here you'll find the filter. You can search by unplayed in progress video and download it. But if you are trying to find the oldest, make sure you tap on recently added, which is on the order of newest to oldest. So once you tap on it, you can also customize from oldest to newest, so it will make your search easy. You don't have to scroll, and if you want, tap on apply to make changes. And the one that appears at the top is the oldest one, and from here you'll see after that the latest one will be at the down. You can always switch the filter anytime, and in this way you can easily see your oldest saved song on Spotify. If you enjoyed the video, consider give it a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.